Welcome to another exciting episode of Zana Motion Studios. And today, yazi uma ngikhuluma nalo muntu ngivele ngifikelwa ama-emotions amaningi because ngaqala ukukhuluma naye esayi-amisha. Ngizosho njalo ngithi amisha. Manje useyi-professional and simthathe esuka kuyo uvuthela imlilo, uvala imlilo, ucisha imlilo. Aphinda ashaya ama-trials lapha. Sikhuluma ngoZinhle Ndawonye, uMgabadeli.
Ndawonde. Bayathanda uNdawonye noNdawonde noma uNdwandwe.
Ake ngithi Mgabadeli.
Mgabadeli, oh yeah, that's my dad.
Uyaphila bathi?
Ngiyaphila njani futhi?
Angisakwazi.
Sidlala umsebenzi, sidlala impilo, but yeah, siyasurvive.
As someone okwi-sport osebenzayo, wenza izinto ezimbili uphinde udlala i-sport. Ukuphazamisa kanjani lokho?
For mina angeke ngisho ukuthi kuyangiphazamisa. Cause ngikhula if ubuka i-rugby ne-firefighting icishe ifana because it require i-fitness efanayo, it require i-discipline efanayo, it require ukuthi ube umuntu ozazi ukuthi ufunani empilweni. So ngabe ngiqamba mama ngithi yangidistract kodwa into eyayenza ukuthi yangifundisa ukwazi ukubalance impilo yami because ngisaku-Springbok would get ama-programs ekumele siwenze. So ngangiwenza mengisemsebenzini ngikwazi ukuthi okay at this time if ukuthi ngino 2 hours of free ngiyajima ekuseni qhubeke nomsebenzi ntambama mhlambe mase ngenza ngiyejimini ekuseni ngenze i-cardio. So ngabe ngiqamba mangempela ngithi yang-disturb ayizange ngidisturb, instead yangenza ukuthi ngikhule as umuntu wesifazane noma intombazane ngikwazi ukuthi okay impilo yami ngiyimisa kanjani, ngibalansisa kanjani izinto zami mengizenza.
Let's talk about your journey from being intombazane yasemakhaya to i-firefighter ne-Springbok.
Yeah.
Uqala lapho lo hambo.
Ngiqale ngifunda ePark Hill Secondary. Vele ngikhula-ke ngumuntu okhule nabafana. There were a lot of guys.
Abafana.
They are alive. Asikwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwabo njengoba nani ngakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwethu. So iyabhalansa kanjalo lethu. So ngikhulele i-rugby ngiqale ngifunda ePark Hill. Ngifika vele esikoleni bengumuntu njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhulele nabafana. So bengumuntu ongathandi isport esi-soft. Kwasho ukuthi vele ngikhuliswe ingqothovi-ke yamama vele sikhulise kanzima e-strong nana. So nalokho ngikwazi ukufunda kuyena ukuthi ngikwazi ngiqine empilweni whatever izimo eqhamukayo ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyimele. So ngifika esikoleni bekukhona netball no hockey ngabuka ngathi yabona kona ama-sports but ayikho le engenza ngifeel ukuthi I actually want to play this yabo. So kwa-introduce i-touch rugby ngayijoyina yabo kwaba i-touch nanani, and then after 2 years kwase kuba khona i-contact where you actually get to tackle each other. So ngithe nje sengiyijoyinile ngiqala sengitrainer ngiba kwi-ground ngasho ukuthi no yabona now this is the game I'd love to play. Then from there ngayo kwama-SA games ngiyakhumbula kwakukhona ama-SA games ngajoyina ama-SA games under 16 ngaselekthwa kwi-Sharks 2018. Then from there ngabizwa kwama-Springboks kwi-sevens. So ama-sevens ila ngiqale khona ukugqoka ijezi le-rugby before ngize ngifike kwama-15s. So ngadlalela-ke ama-Springbok sevens, then ngase ngaya kwi-Springbok 15s. So ngase ngijagulisha ngokubili plus ngomsebenzi bengibizwa ngiye kwi-camp ngiphinde ngibuye futhi. But okumnandi ukuthi yes ngisaqala emsebenzini because umsebenzi at the end of the day uyaholela ukwenza lento yenze. So abazange beze bengi-understand noma bekwazi ukuthi bebone ukuthi ngisengiyo-represent, but it took i-Rugby World Cup eyodwa nje ye-sevens because angizange ngiye as umdlali but nabo as i-company bakwazi ukubona ukuthi wow sine-athlete le representa isizwe sonke. So from there baqala ukungisupporta-ke. Ngangithi nje mese ngiye-campini ngangihamba nje ngisebenze ngibe sekempini ngibuye ngihola. Yazi kuba kwenziwa kanjalo ngabe impilo imnandi kanjani. So
manje ama-challenges
manje hayi okunye kwakumningi kwakukhona. But because ngakwazi ukuthi ngibe kuleya moment ngi-enjoyishe as umuntu wesifazane, as umuntu othandayo futhi sport, othandayo futhi ne-firefighting. So kumina ngangiphila nje impilo exactly le engangiyithanda futhi especially with the firefighting ngisho ukuthi impilo engangifuna ukuthi ngiyenze, but ngoba ngafunda e-DUT ngenza sport management. So obviously umdlalo we-sports and you're doing sports, wena ngokwakho ubona impilo yakho i-revolver yabo ko-sport department and anything that has to do with sports. But ngathi ngisenza i-degree kwasho ukuthi imina oqala ekhaya. So obviously as sibawu-2, it's me and my little sister. So as usisomdala and umama engasebenzi kahle, so kwangiphoqa ukuthi kumele ngikwazi ukuthi ngiprovide endlini. So that's when ngabona ngipost e-firefighting. Ngathi no, othi ngiyizama ngifuna ukubona nje ukuthi yabo ngizokwenza kanjani. Ngafika-ke ngenza ama-physicals, futhi ngashaya phansi, ngashaya kwasana. Ngathi ngifika nje kwasekwazi ukuthi khona intombazane ezayo. Yabo. Yeah.
Let's talk about ezemidlalo, because we are here to talk about i-career yakho kwi-rugby.
Yeah.
From 2018, I think, if not, angifuna ukuyinika into ethize ngayona wena uzongivumela.
Yeah.
But we are one of the first people abanginike interview ku-radio, and there were talks ukuthi there is no other person omnyama odlala irugby wesifazane. Uma ukhuluma nje ngomuntu wesifazane odlala irugby nge-KZN, igama lakhe lihamba phambili. Mhlawumbe usichazele nje ngejeni yakho-ke usungena kwi-professional no-2018 engicabanga ukuthi kwaba unyaka lo owaba mkhulu kakhulu kuwena ngoba usuthola ama-interviews amaningi. Ulone lokuthi khona intombazane kufanele i-interview.
Yeah, I think that was one of my best years. As ngizothi ngangisaya intombazane because mosa 18 usuke na ungaka decide kahle ngempilo yakho yabo. Kuningi okwenzeka because after sengijoin ama-Sharks ngajoin i-Springbok, then came ama-sport managers olona, then came Pro Sport or Mike McCabe, then came or Adidas, ama-sponsors and Spa yabo, of which as umuntu wesifazane or uzinhle in KZN, even with because when I talk about Mike McCabe, usually
football,
yes, isikhathi esiningi, but wabona leso spark sokuthi yazi ngingamthatha uzinhle ngimmanage. Adidas ukuze ukwazi ungisponsorisha. I think I was the first, when I think about it, I'm actually the first lady owathola i-sponsor kuwo wonke. Now, yes, it's happening, and I think it's because of that door le eyavuleka kumina. But back then, we never used to ukuthi sithole khona ama-sponsor. So ijeni yami yayingekho, ngeke ngisho ukuthi yayi easy or yonke into yayishelelela. Okokuqala siyazi ukuthi i-sports like i-rugby esi-male dominant yabo. Abantu abaningi mekubona udlala i-sport noma udlala i-rugby noma isoccer bathe awu nangoke sefuna ukuba umfana nani yabo, intombazane enjalo edlala lo. But wena ngoba uyazi ukuthi usungenile kuleyo nto walokha in wena wasuyayithanda, so usuke uyazi ukuthi igoli yami ukuthi isuke isiyini, just like any other girl oyificela ukushima efuna ukudlala medlala ibhola iyazi ukuthi igoli yayo ukuthi idlalele on the biggest stage yabo, which is ama-World Cup, i-represent i-country yakho. So nami that was my goal, ukuthi from being uzinhle odlala under 16 odlalela i-Sharks odlala ama-SA Games, but the main goal for mina was to play for i-Springbok, and not just play for i-Springbok but inspire and encourage ezinye iy'ngane ey'suka konanda la engangisuka khona ukuthi akubalekile ukuthi usukaphi, akubalekile ukuthi i-situation yakini ukuthi injani, kodwa ungakazi ukuthi uyishintshe wena njengozinhle or njengengane encane eselokishini uyenze ibe lento eyayiyona. So kuningi engak-achieve, and mengihlala manje ngibheke emuva ngiyabona ukuthi no, ezinye izinto singazenza ukuthi siyiplanele njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngangifunda i-sport ngithi ngizoya ku-sport, but uNkulunkulu akuthatha akubekela athi ngifuna ukukubekela ngoba khona ilambe engifuna ukukhanyisela, hayi for mina but ngifuna ukukhombisa ezinye iy'ngane mhlawumpe ey'selokishini ukuthi ayikho into engenzeki uma ukuthi ubeka inhliziyo yakho nothando lakho kuyona.
Let's talk about some challenges before saying my achievements. I-rugby KZN, yake ngiqala KZN, ayikho nkulu ngaleyo ndlela kubantu besifazane. Mekukhulunywa nge-rugby kuvecatshwa ngama-Sharks la besilisa. Mhlawumbe usithatha usibeke ngama-challenges osuwafacile kwi-career yakho. One of them ukuthi uthi ubudlala i-rugby ubonwa lapho ushaya ama-interviews kufanele ushintshe uhambe uyobe i-firefighter.
I would say ama-challenges maningi. Yabona eyodwa njengathi iy'nkinga kakhulu is that siphuma emakhaya siyodlala ne, and abazali ukhumbule lezi ipothe esidlalayo akusizona nje especially with rugby no soccer but as whole. So yabo challenge was one leyo nje was a big one because ufuna kuyisacrifice udinga imali yokugibela kwabazali uma ubuya kwi-rugby mhlawumbe ulimele abazali abanayo i-medical aid but awukwazi ukuthi utreatwe after that or ukwazi ukuthi ubhekelelwe ukuthi okay usulimele kumele nalokho imali yetransport yejimini nani. So there was i-challenge yokuqala nje ayikhona, there was inkinga kakhulu as amantombazane sibuye ebusuku sigibela ama-taxi nayo yonke lento of which abazali bethu abazange beze be-understand. So leyo for mina stood out ukuthi nje yabo we need ukuthi si-treat njengabantu like if i-Springbok nami ngidlala i-Springbok you can't say ukuthi hayi uZinhle akwazi ukuhola imali but I'm also representing i-national side so there should not be any different. But I must say ukuthi back when we used to play, yes it was yayinjalo but then now everything has changed because mobuka manje ama-Springboks abanye badlala phesheya of which leyo nto thina sikaze siyi-experience. Abanye sebe ama-sponsors like I said, abanye sebeyahola kahle seyakwazi ukuthi ube no-contract kwazi ukuthi nemali oyitholayo every month of which thina sisadlala azange size siyithole. But it gets to show you ukuthi when we were playing and fighting for these things vele akwenzakalanga ngaleso sikhathi but then there's other ladies or girls that are now able to ukuthi bekwazi ukubenefita kulo thina sasukulwa when it comes to women's sports.
Uloku kubeka lokuthi sisadlala usuretire nje
lutho ngisakhona kwi-Sharks phela manje kodwa ku-Springbok yabo lezi ngane engikhuluma ngayo once wa reach o-30 manje uzosukutshe ukuthi mhlawumbe ngimdala kakhulu kanti cha ngisamncane once nje wathi 33 wathi 32 wayale then and nanokuthi futhi I think ngakuzwa nami lokho yabo if you start playing i-rugby at a young age like una 16 once usufika ku-30 uyawuza i-recovery yakho immediately ayisafani nakuqala mhlawumbe it takes you like a whole week ukuthi recover for you ukuthi ubuyele uyodlala igame nge-weekend kanti back then wawudlala igame nje ukuthi uyabuya Monday uzojima futhi so right. So there's a whole lot of iy'ngane ey'ncane eseyikhona manje and mobuka isquad maybe thatha abadlali iy'ngane vele baselecta bona lezi ey'ncane because they want them to grow kuyona isport bekhule bethi mase sebefika kule age sebeyakwazi ukuthi bebakhiphe sebedlale enough.
Is there an issue yomzimba umuntu wesifazane because abantu besilisa bayakwazi ukudlala until umuntu azoba 45?
I think it depends because I remember the other thing angikhuluma noLwazi Mvovo washo leyo nto and I was shocked ukuthi how nawe iyona sizathu sokuthi ugcina usuyekile ukudlala yabo then wachaza ukuthi he had the same problem ukuthi hayi bese ngasakwazi ukurecover yabona nangikhombisa ukuthi hayi cha i-age ibisimshayile. Besides lokho njengoba ngisho ukuthi if udlala I would say for me mhlambe omunye oqala i-rugby earlier akaze aza-experience leyo nto but I started playing rugby at a very young age yabo and remember siyaphuka siba nama-injuries senze o-otoscope yabona sengenza ama-injuries on sengenza ama-operation on both my knees and yes uba right iminyaka yakho mesalokhu usisheshe recover but once walimala futhi wathi ngisanda ukulimala recently kwi-Sharks I missed out a whole 2 years ukuthi ngidlale because now akusekho easy as it used to be. I-recovery time ayisekho right uyayenza operation ubuyele uphinde iqale phansi yabo so it does affect. I wouldn't say ukuthi mhlambe kumuntu wesifazane as a woman but I would say I think it depends ukuthi mhlambe i-rugby iqale nini ama-injuries osebe nawo ak-affect mhlambe mangakanani.
Usekhona kuma-Thekwini Games?
ngagcina nginawo ngagcina nginawo Amanda Dlamini lapha angisekho.
What's happened?
I have no idea, hey. I wouldn't know.
Cha but wena mubheka ngokuhlaziya kwakho phela umuntu ezemidlalo usakhona kuma-Sharks use-involved kwi-rugby yini ezingasakubone kwi-Thekwini Games?
Phela ama-Thekwini Games into yamasipala yabo kufana nama-SALGA. So when you talk about ama-SALGA
kubeka ama-SALGA
so ifana nama-SALGA nama-Thekwini Games angazi ba-operate kanjani-ke ku-Department of Sports and everything but thina it's like when you're selecting a coach kwi-rugby you can't have a coach ozocoacha for 2 years mhlawumbe ama-SALGA Games elandelana you need to change every time kufakwa abanye nabanye kanjalo nama eThekwini Games abakwazi ukuthatha ucoach oyedwa the whole time. They need to change the coaches every time so that everyone gets the experience and bekwazi ukuthi befunde from there. It's true. I don't know why you're laughing at me. I'm talking about rugby manje. That's what, okay, angithi ilokho engakuzwa. Yes, because I think amasaka ngacoacha twice ngayeke and then ngaphinde ngabizwa, but after that
who's coaching now?
Uyadepend ukuthi khona ubhuti lapho obizayo uyenoshoyo ukuthi phela ubani ozocoacha phela ngaleso sikhathi.
But do you miss that project because it was a project
a project right. There's nothing that feels good than giving back, especially when you have experience laying now, you know, 7s, 15s, and you have a love for ingane encane because you've been there and uyazi nelokisho phuma kulona and you want to inspire them. So to be there ukwazi ubafundisa and share your experience that you have, definitely I love doing it, and if kuukuthi bangibiza namanje ngahamba.
What's your take on the state of rugby eThekwini and the support your government?
Yo, eThekwini, God. Yabona bhuti ukuthi ngike ngayisho leyo nto. Akusafani nakuqala. Yabona back then there was minimal, very minimal. But if usubuka manje, like a lot has changed. Sek-improvile into eningi. Yes, like isikole engangifunda kusona mina, we used to have rugby back then, but manje ayisekho. So one thing engiyibona ukuthi there's not enough development when it comes to ey'kolweni, especially zaselokishini, when it comes to rugby. Mhlawumbe soccer, yes there is, but i-rugby mukhuluma nge-rugby ey'koleni ey'ningi emalokishini, I think nje eChesterville, no, there's none. eMlazi there is one, but nabo bafocuse kakhulu on abafana, yabo, and that's where we need ama unions, yabo, ukuthi ahambe. There's a lot of coaches sikhona available, yabo, and then bekwazi ukuthi behambe beye emalokishini beyofundisa iy'ngane ukuthi kudlalwe rugby. Otherwise kufana nokuthi khona iy'ngane zaku-Harry Smith, any problem khona ingane ey'suka ku-Harry Smith iyadlalwa ku-Harry Smith i-rugby ngoba baqinile impela, bavuka ngophuthu ne-parish nayo yonke, so vele i-rugby yabo kube i-issue thina sivuka ngama-oats. I-issue mase iqhamuke ekutheni ukuthi once lezi ngane mekuba namaThekwini Games ziselekthwe kanje, once sekumele zisuke manje zisa ku-training, inkinga because zizenze njani, zihlala kude. Inkinga yini, i-transport, and ku-affectekani mase kuzofika kudlalwa ama-XA Games sekumele ingane zifike 3 days before kuyadlalwa ku-Saturday. Kumele ikhempe mhlampe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday qala ama-games. Yabo, as a coach, you just met these kids. You don't know all of them. You haven't taught them a lot, my skills and every basic thing that they need to have. But you're expected to go to a tournament, you know. Of which it also comes to ama academy. How are they grooming these girls? Because ubazisela uyazi ukuthi there's going to be a tournament, ayithathe ingane for like a week or 2 weeks at least, if ukuthi kuyi-issue ukuthi zithathwe for a month, zihlale zikhempe. They do that mekhona ama-games, zikhempiswa, zifunde ingane, zidle khona yonke into, then zingena kwama-tournament. But kubukhuni ukuthatha ingane esuka le nquthu uthi ayize la izodlala ngobani, there's inkinga with the transport, there's inkinga with the accommodation, there's inkinga everywhere, you know. So kuningi kona okukhona, angeke ngisho ukuthi akukho kwenzakalayo, okunye kuyabonakala, but I think lapho okunye kudependa mhlawumbe nama-sporting code, because abanye banankinga. I don't think netball has that much of a problem.
Yeah, sure.
I don't know. I said I don't think.
Umbuzo wami ulumbene noladubuzo umgabadeli khona manje ukuthi I'm just purely watching conversation here from an audience point of view. You mentioned 15s and you mentioned 7s. Hlampe, for a girl out there, you know, who wants to play rugby or waselokishini agekho exposed to it too much, what is the difference between? But now I don't want you to talk in general. I want you to talk as a player odlalile for 15 squad and 7 squad.
Yeah.
So that umuntu ezoyibona ukuthi angafola under which one or play both as you did.
Yeah. Okay. The obvious umehluko definitely oqala ukuthi i-15s there's 15 players, and then E7s, there's 7 players, okay? But then E7s requires you ukuthi ube massively fit, because remember, groundini niba 7 aside, right? But i-field ivulekile. You know, so it requires ukuthi ube fit. Awunaso isikhathi sokuresta kwi-sevens. Uyagijima one way, ibhola lithi mele iyale uthi uthothi usulele lithi liyabuya sekumele uvuke. So asikho isikhathi sokuresta. Whereas i-15 awusiyazi ukuthi siphethe nina ongqongqoshe, the time up is lapha kwi-scrum sirestile thina kwi-backline siphuza amanzi siyamodela. So inesikhathi esiningi sokuthi ukwazi ukuphumula, yabo. But iyafana, both the 7s and 15s, they're physical, they require ukuthi ube fit mentally and physically. Kuyashawana ke futhi akudlala, so ungafiki kwi-rap ufike utshela ukuthi no uzomodela. Ngiyaqhuthuzana njengoba usuke ubona kuqhuthuzana abesilisa, but womabili they just rugby. Everything ama-basics akhona, structures akhona, it's just that kuhluka ngokuthi i-sevens, i-field is wide and it requires you to be much more fitter because nibancane grounding. And then i-15s nibaningi, obviously you get more time to rest and recover.
So i-ground alishotnishwa.
Akaze nje lashotnisha, lisuke linjengoba linjalo. Lisuke linjengoba linjalo. And i-sevens, I think i-sevens yona ngifundisa iskill kakhulu in terms of passing, you know, and all that, because kwi-15s niba close, but i-sevens, remember,
about
7 years, niba ni wide apart. So ibhola lakho you must be able to pass ibhola elisuka la lele. You must be able to have speed more gijima. Once wadlula umuntu mesekudlulile esekushiyile, kumele uyomjaha at least uthi angakori ngaphansi kwama-poles. So you have to be fit. Yeah.
Last episode we spoke to Lethu Ntuli, and I posed a question again, and I pose kuwe now. There is this challenge scenario emakhaya nasemalokishini yokuthi athi umzali angifuni ukudlala le sport sabafana because uzoshintsha nangendlela oyiyona.
Yeah.
Uthini kulowo mbono njalo?
It does happen. I've seen it. I've seen young girls I've coached. I've seen it with the girls that I've played with. Lapho umuntu afike ewuzinhle, hawu nangiqaqaka usiyafika sekune influence useyibona ukuthi hawu yazi ke manje ngisazi ngidistepekile ke manje. Futhi uma kuhamba isikhathi umbone ukuthi awu nange sebuyela futhi noma ve dynamics hawu kanti yabo kanti kwenzakalani yabo. But I think it also comes with choice someone, because abantu bafica bebanjalo mufika kwi-rap ufika ukuthi yabo how okay, but it's impilo esesiphila kuyona njengamanje, it's just a matter of futhi siya understandana siphila ndawonye. We both have the same goal, because ngeke ngithi we play for the same team, but sengikubuka ngenye indlela ukuthi then angisekho ku-goal le kufanele ngabe sikuyona, sengibuka wena ukuthi unjani wenzani yabo kanjani. Make sure ukuthi mengifika e-change room ngibona ukuthi kufanele ngiqashe yabo, because you get that yabo. But we take each other as girls. We just girls. Sometimes yes, bona bayasaba because baneleyo insecurity yabo ukuthi hayi yabo bemboze, but siyahambela nje kahle siphushuzele, because thina we just ladies, we understand ukuthi okay ayisamantombazane siphila ndawonye sonke igoli yethu esizela ukuthi la sidlala i-rap. But ekutheni kuyenzeka lokho angeke ngize ngikuphike. It's just that kumele kuba kuwena as uzinhlo leyo ntombazane owazi ukuthi okay ngiya lapha umzali ngithe ngiyokwenza ukuthi ngiyodlala i-rap, ufike lapha wenze lento ozoyenza uhambe.
There's another challenge as someone who sport. The challenge ekhona eyokuthi it's hard for ladies to strive, because to balance and strive between personal life, relationships, and ukuba kwi-sport. Mhlambe leso simo esikanjalo umuntu osakhula ungama-advise ukuthi enze njani, because there is this thing yokuthi abantu abakwazi ukubalance both sports and relationship. Personally, can be either family, friends, or even partners.
Yeah, yabo once udlala sports, you hardly have time for abantu abaseceleni. I don't want to lie. Excuse me, simply because okokuqala nje, once you get professional, you are hardly ekhaya, because there's camps, there's tournaments that you have to go to, you're flying away, awukho se-Italy ulele. But it takes umuntu, I guess, when it comes to relationship, understand that. Hence why mina ngisaqala ngithi wayedlala sports umuntu so I understand. mengingekho angikho understanda lokho uyabona lo bese ngibuya futhi yonke into isi-right but with the family I think i-family it comes with if bayakusupporta enough because umzali meyazi ukuthi uhambile uyo-represent i-country especially futhi kithi abantu besifazane yazi ukuthi hayi mama ngiyokwakha imali yabo because kuyaziwa phela ukuthi ngalezo ikhathi yes ngalezo ikhathi ukudlala isports ungatholi imali iyona nkinga ababeyilwela leyo so mengazi ngihamba ukuthi meyazi ukuthi ngiyahamba ngiyobuya nento ezoba khona ekhaya etafuleni then umzali uyajabula mekujabula umzali kaya ama-relationship awami kumele understand phela ukuthi sisemsebenzini yeah izwa lona yeah so I guess it just takes ukuthi uchoose umuntu onjani ozokwazi ukuthi uku-understand ukuthi angacabanga ukuthi mhlambe useye ko-Dubai uyikhiphile no usuke uyodlala
ayithanda iDubai
ufuna ukungisa ngagcina ngiye ngesports mhlambe kodwa ungangisa ungibhukhela
uzobebukele la ngiyathemba ukuthi uzokuyisa akade walithe usudila negi-level
hayi kahle
let's talk about ukudila nama-agents you spoke about uLorna, you spoke about Mike Makap and we read stories about ama-agents. I won't mention names, but ukuthi adla imali zabadlali. There are issues ukuthi ugcina ungasayibona imali efike elethwe isponsor sakho because i-agent ethile isiqoshile. Talk to us about the experience yakho nokudila nama-agents and i-advice ungayinika umuntu osakhula ukuthi ku-right ukuba ne-agent noma ukudinga omunye umuntu.
Yeah. Firstly, ngangazi-ke nokuthi ama-agent enzani mina. I was just a player. Ngingazi ukuthi ama-agent enzani. I think yokuqala engayithola was uLorna and wangifundisa okuningi in terms of ukuthi agent yenzani, how they work and what is expected. And it was not only about ukuthi bonzani, but it was about what is expected of me as an athlete. How should I behave? How should I talk to people? What should I do? What should I not do? So for Yena, she taught me a lot of those things, of which they were not just coming from agent as well, but they're coming from protection. I understand if we feel this is how you need to behave, this is what you need to do, this is what you need not to do. In terms of imali, yes, yakhona ama-percentage abawathathayo vele.
Uzowatshontshelwa nzini?
No, angaze ngitshontshele. Akhona ama-percentage aseke abawathatha.
Abawatshontshile?
No, abawantshontshe. Yabo, it's like fana nale ama-sponsor. There's a sponsor that I got. I think it was from USPA, and I wouldn't have gotten that sponsor if it wasn't for Pro Sports because babefika kumina bengitshela okay kunento kanjena bafuna ube ambassador khona kanje kasokufunela ama sponsors nani obviously kodwa there's gonna be a percentage ozoyikhokha because they go out there and obviously they're using their name as a Pro Sport ukuthi okay sicela ukuthi nisilokhuzele i-player kanje nje nifake kanje so for me it wasn't I guess ngoba ngisayingane and I didn't understand that much. Angishongo ukuthi bantshontsha guys
ngiyayibuzela ukuthi awubonanga ngisho sebe
no angizange ngisantshontsha engaka-understand ukuthi yes obviously you have to give them a certain percentage for that and it wasn't even that much even though ngeke ngikisho for mina they didn't even take that much yabo but ngangiyithola nje imali yami njengoba injalo
useyiphathi mene baseyimene
cha ngangiyithola mina honestly when I used to have ama-lokhuzana ama-manager they treat me so well ayikho into engangayazi noma engangayiboni percentage yabo babeyenza ama-sponsors bafuna benginikeza wona bengifunele wona ama-gigs babengifunela yabo and ngoba mhlawumbe I didn't realize ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyahle kodwa angisho ukuthi ngadliwa mina I was happy with what I was getting.
Wayekelani ukuba ne-manager ke manje ake sixoxe ngalokho
phela kuyahamba isikhathi I think Nkosi yami wena nje I think ifana yabo with Leya Spam ifana nokuthi I think let me talk about Adidas because Adidas iwona nga-understand kangcono obviously if you bangithi ba-benefit because when you're wearing their stuff and you're playing on the field to grow ama-boots abo especially more udlala on the high level nabo babonakala lapho so if ungasadlalela ama-Springbok let's say mhlawumbe awusadlaleli ne-Sharks then what is the reason for them to sponsor
you? Yes.
Exactly. So we do Adidas had a 2-year contract and ngayithola vele i-career yami ku-Springbok isizophela yabo. So kwaba wona lo 2 years and then emva kwalokho bangayi-renew kwasho ukuthi even the guy that I knew there wayengiconsolation kakhulu wahamba emsebenzini. So after that it was all gone. No Spar nayo, it was a 2-year contract yaphela kanjalo. And futhi they were fair enough to come and say they taking like different ladies every time. Yeah, must kuba khona ke laba privilege abakwazi ukuhlala throughout.
A privilege kanjani?
I have no idea phela. Bahleli phela ngokuthi it's a 2-year contract but they phela they privilege ukuthi bekwazi because they still there. They still there with Springbok. Basa represent kwama national colors.
What are the discussions that you wish we can start having as a country when it's come to women in sport?
Quite a lot. Uthe komba yikho inkinga kwi-netball. Uthe azikho inkinga ku-netball.
You said...
No, I didn't. I said maybe angazi kwi-netball because mina the only issues engwaziyo, especially those male-dominant sports, you know, I don't think ukuthi bayanakwa enough compared to abantu besilisa. I don't think they get paid enough compared to abantu besilisa. I don't think ukuthi banikezwa yini ukukhanya like limelight njengabantu besilisa. For example, if ubuka ama-games, there's hardly ama-games amantombazane. Soccer, yeah, I think they're doing good in terms of broadcasting amantombazane. But when it comes to rugby, provincially, mese ngithi kwi-netball, i-TNL, province, broadcast, it's a big tournament. But we also have IPL, yabo, of which a provincial tournament when it comes to rugby, or Sharks or Blue Bulls. It be broadcasted like 2 years ago, I think maybe broadcast games, but the past years they haven't been broadcasting it. Mhlawumbe badlala lama games kuzoba futhi nakhona ngoba iBlue Bulls because iBlue Bulls has come professional. So iyakwazi ukuthi ibe super sport ebalokhuzela ama games akho. But that's exactly what I'm saying ukuthi if we could have ama teams or ama sporting codes like Sharks no soccer and abe professional, just like iBlue Bulls. Blue Bulls was the best. So if only Nazi as the Sharks we can become professional. I-Lions ibe professional. Kungabi ukuthi siyadlala for the sake of ukudlala because we love it. Because bayazi ukuthi vele sidlala ngoba siyayithanda. Besides the money, when I used to play, it was never about the money. I was so like stuck with rap in such a way ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ngangithola 150 kwi-match fee. It didn't really bother me because
Kanithola wona vele.
Hey, uyachova. Yes, asithola wona. We did, exactly. Back then we used to get 150 kwi-match fee. But remember sayingane sijabulela ukuflya, sijabulela ikhithi, siflya mahala, sijabulela ukulala kwamahhotela. We are kids. But at the back of our minds, once it's cooler, then we start realizing, okay, we're playing this sport, siyadlala kumnandi, but then can we live off it? Because siyabona ukuthi okay, how they're living off rap just by playing. They don't need to bethola imisebenzi esipili bebe yicishamlilo noma bebe odokotela. It's their life, they live it. But why can't we as abantu besifazane siphile kanjalo whereby we take rap as a career yethu whereby asenzi lutho? But it took me ukuthi I needed to go and work because with rap I wasn't getting any money. So I think those are the things that we need to look at. Ama sports abe professional, especially those male dominants, because I think iwona lawa aneyinkinga kakhulu. Because when you look at netball yakho ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi uyayithanda wena netball. Netball most ubona othale mathe manje bale badlala ko UJ and they bayafunda and they also playing. Uzumbona nje njengoba besedlalela olokhuzana la eThekwini ngene njengoba washiya ithale emathe ke manje ikhona uUKZN I don't think ukuthi khona bam-offerisha bamnikeza i-sponsor sokuthi akwazi ukuthi afunde eThekwini aqhubeke adlale lelokhuza ayidlalayo not only are we moving our players athathe kwamanye ama-province but we also losing quality players like no Talemas. But if only we had that base yokuthi you can be able ukuthi udlale and just play sports ngolibona futhi ngoba sabancane bekwazi beqhubeke nemfundo yabo kodwa bebe futhi behola befunda bedlala benza into abayithanda but thina we never had that. Yeah, so I think those are the things that we need to look at. Especially with less esports, less dominate abantu besilisa.
Yini le yenze challenge ukuthi abantu bamove as someone oyiplayer coach sengikhulumile nabo even with football, cricket, rugby, we're losing talent to other provinces. Yini le lahlekayo like KZN noma si jive kakhulu?
Ama-off yabona ingane ezincane beyidlala ukuthi uyibona ingane isadlala under 16 uyibona kwama-soccer game uyakwazi ukuyiselecta leyo ngane there in that time ubona ukuthi I need to give this kid
an opportunity.
Yes, nginika isponsor ibe nesikole idlale la eThekwini because uyayibona ukuthi le talent le siyayidinga la eThekwini. But if kuukuthi akawathola ama-sponsor and then qhamuka umuntu wasegoli athi hayi ngizokunikeza isponsor udlala egoli uzokwazi ukufunda EJ iphuma eLokhuzeni High School lengane vele thola usekhaya abazali abanayo imali ukuthi bayikhokhele lapha yayisiyongena evarsity thola opportunity yokufunda evarsity thola opportunity yokuthi yenze into eyithandayo idlala plus ihole ikwazi ukuthi ibuyise imali ekhaya. So la eThekwini swalahla kanjalo ama-athletes because baningi ama-athletes not just la kwi-netball njengoba sikhuluma even nakuthina there's baningi ama-players ahamba I know Sizophila left KZN to go and play for Blue Bulls. There's quite a few like 3, 4, 5 players ala kwi-Sharks ahamba manje asedlalela ngale and there's still going to be more because iy'ngane lezi ey'dlalayo manje ziyavutha kakhulu and bazoyithatha ngale because already they're living the professional athletic life and they're giving ama-athletes what should be given to them.
What kept you strong mentally? Because ucisha umlilo ngala uphinde udlala irugby and nginalento ukuthi mhlambe emsebenzini kuyajovana kuthiwa sicisha nawo umlilo engabe utravel amazwe na yonke into. How do you deal naleyo joke kodwa eshaya wena enhlizweni njengokuthi uyabona ukuthi kufanele ngabe uyahola kwi-rugby but awuholi uzogcina uzosebenza la uzothethiswa kuthiwa awucishi kahle lo mlilo?
I think abantu especially emsebenzini or abantu that see you uyodlala and bayawazi amanye ama-colours e-Sharks bayawazi amanye ama-colours e-Springboks amanye ama-games ukuthi aya-broadcasta bayakubona ba-excited bona not knowing ukuthi wena because uyasithanda le sport uyazidlala but there's nothing you're getting out of it. So ngasho ukuthi into eyangenza ngiqine ukuthi firstly I had a goal. Secondly I was raised by umzali owayevele hardcore. One thing angayenzanga as much as bekumzali esikhulisayo ukuthi I give up kumina nosisi wami omncane. So kuwo konke engangikufuna empilweni ngangisho ukuthi angeke ngize ngigive up mina ngingakakutholi. Even if akutholwa yimina.
Yes.
Njengoba usubuka manje yes angikutholanga angikwazanga ukudlala irugby ngize ngifike la ekutheni sengiba ne-contract njengoba sekuba ne-contract manje. But nga-achieve ukuthi iy'ngane lezi ezazi zemva kwami zikwazi ukuthi zibe nayo leyo contract and that's a big achievement for me because we used to fight silwe sicela lokhu sicela yabo until it happened. So it's a big thing for me. So I would say ukuthi uqina as uZinhle and umzali wami was a much bigger base for me ngoba ngisho ngikwi-rugby ngibona ukuthi kunzima ngangicabanga yena ngisho ukuthi but why would I give up yena engakwazanga ukuthi asilahle or I give up ekuthini. So emsebenzini they were just happy seeing uZinhle on TV. Uma nibona umuntu osebenza naye mfethu ngingakaze ngifike ku-TV nina ningazi ku-TV Zinhle nani siyakubonile uyadlala mina nishawa kuthiwa nishawa njalo nini yabo leyo. But they are happy to see you, they're happy to see people abafuna ukuzongi-interviewer bengibone sengivela ku-TV. You see they happy manje. They know ukuthi ngisawuZinhle odlala irugby yabo even though kwi-Springbok angisekho laphayana but uyazi-ke abafana especially uma usebenza estation there's always jokes and ama-jokes are just like hayi wayigcina usayinkinga kuqala uyi-scrap manje yabo. And angeke ngisho ukuthi baqamba manje yes that was my time yabo. Empilweni vele uba nesikhathi sakho where you shine then mase kuba nesikhathi where okay manje you need to give back and try and help those who also need to shine. But bayangazi-ke mina emsebenzini abangithinti khona yedwa nje wafika wathi nje engangihlula mina ngokugijima ngathi mina angizwanga bhuti wathi engangihlula mina ngokugijima futhi laba abakhuluma nje laba abathanda ukukhuluma kakhulu ngabona ukuthi okay lo I think kumele ngimkhombise manje kwaphuma istage sonke ngaphandle kwalandelana nemoto just to see ukuthi ngempela siyala kumele sikhona usually senze 2.4 for ama physicals ufuna ukuphase within 12 minutes 12 minutes kumele usula 2.4 lo sahamba nomfana ngabuya ngimshiya ngegephe engaka akaphindanga ukukhuluma ngaleyo nto yabo so they know ukuthi sisebenza namantombazana because sometimes nasiyadlala sithi ngeke lezi zinto zidinga abantu besilisa la ngeke guys thina samantombazana no sonke sigqoka ama uniform yabo but it's always jokes but when you look at it ngempela sisebenza umsebenzi owodwa if ukuthi ongaqualify ukuba kulo msebenzi then wawungeke uzusebenze khona yabo.
Let's talk about sesibuyela kwi field ke manje ye rugby not leyo cisha amashisa masifika kwi rugby uyafika khona ama cultures ahlukene. There is a history valley rugby ukuthi rugby abantu abangenazi ithakazelo uyafika
uXhosa was one of the best.
Yes. Talk to me about the culture ya kwi rugby nokuthi ni survive kanjani nalazi inkulumo zokuthi rugby akuyona abantu abamnyama.
Ubani wathi akuyo indawo ye-rugby abantu abamnyama?
Angithi i-perception yabantu angithi kufanele u-educate abantu namhlanje.
I-rugby yabona nje amaXhosa ke nje futhi i-rugby kuphilwa yona. I think one thing about i-rugby ukuthi unite. It unites whatever culture that you're coming from. And njengoba ngishilo ngithi yabo when it comes to culture amaXhosa. Everywhere from under 16, under 18, ban, you can feel. Iyakwazi, yabo the feeling yokuthi mekuzoyodlalwa, uculwe.
Yes.
And then you get igwiju. Yes. Kanti now khona wakwadlala soccer ke mhlambe noma i-volleyball.
I've been giving you interviews since 2018, so ngitshela.
So yabona ilokuzana igwiju. That's one thing that brings yabona futhi amantombazane I think amantombazane like Xhosa girls they sing better than abafana ama-Springbok boys because obviously Springbok I think there's a lot of
but the guys are winning championships.
Yes, I know. What do you mean? Namantombazane Springboks, they made
got you there
quarterfinals good Rugby World Cup. What do you think? That's historical. Yabo siyabona ukuhlangana. I think yabo lento when it comes to igwiju iyabahlanganisa kakhulu because nami ngangifika say bangumsindo la yabo
angakajwayele when ujwayela izakhe
ngumZulu mina no I'm even isicula amaZulu siyabhimba kuyaziwa siyabhimba even noma sicula yabo
you saying bayabhimba
amaZulu awukwazi ukucula igwiju guys listen to amaXhosa if ufuna ukuzwa igwiju listen to iXhosa gwiju and I'm not just abafana basha I'm talking about amantombazane especially la eSpringbok isoccer ke na ngiyazi ukuthi iyacula kodwa kunokuphambana okuthize buku usuzwa ngikhipha na question yami
but let's come back to Ireland. How do you survive the culture yakhona kwi-rugby?
Okay, I did say
you see now ukuthi
yes, I understand. No, I think
been interviewing you. Please, man.
God, this guy thinks he knows me a lot. What else do you know about me?
Let's talk about rugby now.
No, what else do you know about me?
For now, let's talk about rugby. Next question is umbuzo. Let's talk about rugby now. Ungawukhohlwa umbuzo.
Umbuzo ukuthi okay, iSports Unite kanje.
You see now.
Exactly, because you're talking a whole lot of stuff.
Ngibuza ukuthi mina i-culture.
Yes.
You survive kanjani kwi-culture ye-rugby la kuthiwa khona akuyona yabantu abamnyama.
Azange sibe nayo inkinga leyo nto. Angizange ngeke ngiqamba amanga kwena. Yebo mengila ekhaya eKZN abafana bengibuza ukuthi uyodlala i-rugby ntombazane njalo idlala i-rugby ngithi mina no ngiyayidlala but mengila but when it comes to i-setup wesesihlangene sonke as rugby players amaXhosa bani we all are in the same room for one thing so yayingekho into kanjalo we actually do enjoyed each other's differences, enjoyed each other's culture, understood each other. Okay, mina ngumZulu, okay, mina ngumXhosa, umSuthu, okay, mina ngumlungu. Sifunde ne-Afrikaans, of which I think sifunde okuningi nje. But like KZN, yes, I've gotten that a lot. Wepha ngiyahamba elokishini ngigqoke isikhindi kuthiwa hayibo ntombazane yini udlala ibhola ngithi no ngidlala irap kuthiwa awukahle bo intombazane edlala irap yini kwenze njani yabo
ngobhlungu
hawu yini kwenze njani ngithi mina no ngiyasithanda it's what I love it's what I love doing mina ngangiphambana namantombazane elokishini ngo6 esecobezelo vaselunani wakamnandi mina ngiphethe ibhola lami ngeground ngiphambazela esobheka ama-boyfriend wakho ungibona nganangani nje ngoba mina ngangijaha ibhola lerugby
i-late bloomer
mina bona babejaha mina ngijaha ibhola lerugby mina
manje ukhuluma ngalokho ukuthi wawudlula elokishini on a serious note now
yeah
how did sport protect you from ama-social ills
ngikhohle waslam guys
ngomlomo lofona
ngikhuza akusena umuntu othiwa manje ngizola ngidisturb awubuye
how did sport protect you from social ills
yabona in my days especially eNanda angeke ngize ngiqamamanga
Nanda lindelani vele
nekahleke why ulwa nami kanti
cha ngiyasho ukuthi Nanda lindelani vele ama-social ills izinto vele like e-township izinto ey'khona vele sengisho ukuthi how did you survive how did sport protect you
yes
come back
I'm here
yeah
hey wena so mina semsangiprotecta kakhulu one uma wayehamba eyosebenza from Monday to Friday asishiye sonke sobabili njalo nosisi wami siba u2 mind you amantombazane lawo sibancane safunda ku primary high school ahleli wodwa 2 angimithwa kugila igoda futhi ngaleza ikhathi kwangamithwa kanje kudliwa ama drugs zonke lezo zinto but into yangiprotecta mina ukuthi every time mekumele ntambama ngibuye emsebenzini mengibuye esikoleni ngingena ekhaya ngiyazi ukuthi ngine training session ngibuya nini ngibuya sekulate so ngifuna ukwenza isquad se team I know ukuthi obvious mengenza into ebhekene wrong ngaba khona iphutha elikhona
yaziba nama-DM awaziba ama-DM
angikwazi ama-DM ngiyazi ukuthi ngaba zimo ekhona but I think futhi even with that I think umuntu owadlala iqhakaza elikhulu because useyayisola manje uma wami my mother used to say ngiyangibona ngiphila kabuhlungu kanjani
uyisolelani mama
because usayifuna ingane manje thina but me and my sister like 30 something mina nami like 30 something but asinazi ingane yabo phela usemdala asishimile futhi hayi cha phela asishimile yabo yes kwasiza kodwa kale zayikhaya and futhi ngeke ngize angiyisoli like seriously because indlela okwakumitha ngayo mengibuka amantombazane engangikhula nawo ngibuka impilo
so uyayinyokeni
ngibuka la bekhona
uyayinyokeni
ikephi enyokeni manje
Emhlanga
ngiya Emhlanga Rocks ila ngihamba khona Emhlanga Rocks ngiyaya
Emhlangeni
why ufuna ungifake Emhlanga ngiyatshela nje Emhlanga engiuhambayo mina ufuna ngihambe lo wakho yes ngiya Emhlanga Rocks yeah so yangiprotecta kakhulu because you can imagine ukushiya ingane zamantombazane eNanda and I think waze washo mangelinye ilanga wathi yazi khona ugogo lapha amakhelwane wafika kumina Zinhle wathi Nomusa uyifundisani le ngaka ingane zakho ngoba ngisho noma ungekho la ziyahamba zesikoleni zibuye engene sihlale phansi zenze i-homework awusayibona ebusuku yabo kanti umana kwayilento wayilo mzali lo wayengathathi isipedu wayengasho ukuthi Zinhle abafana uyibonela nomfana Zinhle noma uthi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi njengoba nje hey yazi othi ngithuni kuzokwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi so wayekutshela into njengoba injalo and luckily for me ngoba ngabe sengingene sengivalwe irugby vele I knew what I needed to do I knew ukuthi okay mhlawumbe mesihamba nomfana sihamba sifika la yabo mhlawumbe ncwa ya serious yeah mhlawumbe mfana usamncane kunakhona usamncane yabo akazazi into eningi ugcina nje ukuthi hawu yami nxa boyfriend yami give okay girlfriend yakho
prove ukuthi uyaqala ngempela
no ngiza why ufuna kuze kuprove
ngiyakuza angithi
no phela okay usuyatsho futhi mina ngaqala kahle sengise university to be honest ngaqala ukujola sengise university from high school ngangile ngane nje enomsindo eyiphaphelayo yabo nje ingangeneki because other girl to Magobane sasihlezi siphaphela naye othisha nje beqhamuke khona into abesazi ukuthi niyani nobabili so sasivele singekho nje lapho then ke sengifika evarsity that's when I started seeing life ukuthi oh okay there's this there's that yabo and all of that ngaqala ke nami ngabe uzinhle phela but with my eyes there you see.
Manje, how do we change the narrative yaseNanda? Because that area is produce ama-talent amaningi. But njalo mesikhuluma ngeNanda, so sikhuluma nge-ink area. Mesikhuluma nge-ink area, sivele sicabanga into eningi, ubugebengu, umitha kwamantombazane, social aids, ama-drugs and all stuff. Lapho khona ama-superstars afana nani, asedila nabelungu. But angikho lapho. How do you protect iNanda as abantu bakhona nithi, okay, now let's talk positive about iNanda. Let's think about the ink area. Kunabayiphika iNanda uthi angiphume eNanda mina. Because
of that,
yes. At least when we are shoot I was west. Ayilahlani.
Wase ke plapa yami obhuqwini wasebhuqwini phela mina angikho kwi deep hayi manje uzokwenza ngazuthi
cha akithi uyayiphika manje iNanda
angiyiphiki iNanda ngakhulela khona
okay let's talk about
ngihamba sengifunde high school
let's talk about protecting iNanda ke ne ink area kwamashu lendelani
into
kunabantu abasabayo nje kulento uThabo Cele kuphela ngimazi ukwazi ukuthi mina ngwakamashu
Ngoba wasemlazi.
Cha uThabo Cele from kwamashu. Yabona ukhuluma naye athi kwamashu. Talent embatha wePirates umashu. Uze kubantwini uyabuya lena. But kunabantu nje awothi muthi ngwaselindelane. Athi angikho lapha. How do you protect that ukuthi sishintshe nje le narrative?
Yo, I think that's one of the difficult things esingayenza. Angisho ukuthi akukho possible. It is. However, remember, uzomsusa kanjani ingane ekhaya la kubo kuyiseNanda ila ehlala khona. Uthi ngoba nakho awuyifuna i-environment ehlala kuyona uzoyisaphi. Not unless yes ama-unions ayakwazi ukuthi angenelele ngale in understanding ukuthi ingane because more ukuthi uyi-athlete and then you have coaches and unions they need to understand where you're coming from, the environment that you're in. If ukuthi bayabona talent lakho and they want to protect you, then they put you kwama academies, you know. And also because even taking ama wellness programs even kwabazali nihambisa ama programs kwabazali bafundisa about ukuthi okay as an athlete ingane kanje idinga ukuvikela kanje but that's I don't think lokho kuzosebenza. The only way we can do it is take these kids out of lawo ma areas siwafake kwama academy behlale khona kwama academy befunde benze yonke lento until beze bebe right because we can't change the whole area. Umhlaba nje lo unjalo eNanda ngeke nje uzishintshe because ungathola nanokuthi ingane ibuya kwi-rugby yodlala ibuya ku training ntambama hlangane nabo labafana labavele yabo aba-corrupt ukuthi hayi nitshe thusile letha la makho beyigwaze beyilimaza ingane angeke uzukuvimbe lokho because awazi kuzokwenzakalani. So the best thing is that we can move them mhlambe to ama academies where we're going to know ukuthi ba safe and bahlale endaweni erap benza futhi lento abayithandayo. But as for ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyoshintsha ilokhuzana eNanda ngqongqoshe hayi ke hamba west. Hamba west akuhambe nje uyishintshe yonke.
Where you at right now in terms of career wise mentally awusena agent where you at now, what are you doing now? What keeps you busy?
My mind is so busy right now. After I was taken out of Springbok I drowned.
Drown where? Drown kanjani?
I drowned. Like I lost myself a bit because.
So they drown to drugs, drown to.
No. I mean like emotionally.
Oh, emotionally.
Yes, emotionally I was hurt because I think IBC alikhuphuka khona and that's where I also wanted to show a mark
and
as
sponsors
well.
were coming.
Yes, yeah, and obviously it's the end of my career. So for a year, I was crying my heart out. But that's life. Ngaibuga on the positive side, whereby there's coaching. I still have my job. Besides local, I was also looking to doing something at Chesterfield. siyafika singqongqozeni ngasichaza.
Oh, masipala noma
Ngikhuluma nawe.
No, mina I'm not on no government.
Cha phela sengiyasho ukuthi phela nawe angithi nawe ungangimemezeleli ukuthi yaku kanje.
Yeah. No, I can do that. But umasipala akithi ungabili ukuphendula umbuzo wamasipala. Should I say?
Angizange ngize ngibe
Okay, what are you doing in Chesterfield? Let's talk about that.
No, njengoba ngisho the past years I've been quiet, past 2-3 years. So after the scenario ye Springbok, yes, that first year was one of the worst for me. But then ngwafika to a point where I need to come back now and obviously recover. Ngingabuka ukuthi okay, akuhamba ngendlela yami lana, but ngibuka ukuthi okay yini ke manje uNkulunkulu leyasefuna ukuthi ngiyenze, because you have people like Precious naye. I know ukuthi when she stopped playing hayi ngoba bengasafuni, but then it was because of zonke lezi zinto zo age and then the new girls coming in, obviously abasa fresh compared to us. So but she did something out of that, yabo, and she's very good when it comes to coaching. Njengoba seze coach under 20, and I have no doubt.
They went to Commonwealth.
Exactly, and I have no doubt ukuthi futhi she will coach the actual senior team, because she's good like that. Nam she used to be my coach when it comes to fitness and stuff. So I think we situation yami nam ngahlala ngabuka ukuthi okay, so sekwenzeke kanje manje, then what then? Because one thing about me, into angiyibuki ngokuthi meyenzeka sukuyenzeka kabi, yabo. Every time kwenzeka something I sit down ngaleso sikhathi ngibike leyo moment nanani ngikhale mekufanele ngikhale, but then mase sengibuya ngihlale phansi ngithi okay, what is it that I need to do now? Say uNkulunkulu sefuna ngenzeni, yabo. I did quite a few Best Foundation collaboration with them, of which is good because I think nami ngangifuna ukuthi ngibe ne-foundation yami. It's just a matter of who do I go to, where do I start, how, when, you know. But one thing I would love to do, I wouldn't say I love coaching, like love it compared to playing, but I love giving back. You know, I love giving back. And if I dwell guys kakhulu, then it's going to affect my work somehow or the other. So hence why if I want to do something, it's just it's something I like to do, because it's just there's no rugby whatsoever. I love that. But then I'm going to have someone else, I'm going to need to have someone to work with, because I have shifts and all of that. I'm going to need people to sponsor me. I'm going to need people to read my proposal and understand, okay, this is what I want to do and all of that.
Where is Lorna?
I don't remember when last.
Because it's someone I thought, which maybe if you can speak to her.
No, I haven't spoken to her for a while.
What?
Honestly, I haven't spoken to her for a while. It's been like a year or two.
Are you okay? Are you good?
Yeah, we're good. Not like siyakhuluma, you know, but yeah, siyazwana nje ukuthi okay, I know Lorna nami nguZinhle, but we are not that close. Phela manager yami, and then kwasuka kwi-manager, and then kwaba ngahlula kwenye manager.
Yeah.
Nama question now 3 mina.
Azongibulala.
No, abalulekile, they're very important questions. Top tier questions la uzomgabadela.
Umgabadela ubuzani?
Ngeke ngize ngimfake under the bus. Ucolleague wami ukubuza a question very important. It's just that mina ne-mic okwamanje. I-rivalry between not ama Proteas, ama Springboks nama All Blacks. Laba besilisa, we always see ukuthi abancengane, so sifuna ukwazi ukuthi mase kuyinina, the intensity, was it the same? Was it as intense as that, or you guys had your own thing going with them?
About manje, yes, the intensity is the same. I think ever since I introduced this new high performance thing, everything has become better, because those days sasingalanda high performance ngangafika nje ngidlala center mhlawumbe ngilingana naMgabadeli kodwa ngidlala center unfit angikho conditioned yabo but because ngiyazi ukuthi ngidlala center ngizodlala center. So back then it was the worst. I don't want to lie to you. But now
and it's soft back then.
But now with this thing, my high performance and not just good province that they've introduced that, Tusaro has introduced that almost in each and every province, whereby you get from the word go under 16, under 18, you have high performance. You given programs of how to train. You are given dietitian. When it comes to ama injuries, you are given ama rehab exercise and stuff. I think that has bettered everything, especially if Mobuga indlela abadlale ngayo ama Springboks ku Rugby World Cup, because that's the best Rugby World Cup we've ever had. First time siba kwa quarterfinals and you could see ukuthi no babayalwa and nami ngiyabona ukuthi ayi cha mase kuthiwa ngiyabuyela manje ngiyolwa kanje yaya hayi ngeke ngibona ngathi sengimdala angiboni ngisazokwazi
amadola usavuma
hayi ngeke
asegoqe kakhulu
ngeke angiboni ngisazokwazi.
Umbuzo wesibili is two pronged. Ngiyintombazana njengamanje bulela le podcast ku YouTube.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukudlala irugby.
Yes.
But angazi ukuthi ngadlala lephi position. So I liked what you said about ama centers. Ama center, in fact nje backline wonke kumele ukwazi ukugijima. You have to be agile. Then the other top half kumele kuba ama props. So you have to be bulked up or ukhuluphale to say. So how would you advise umuntu ofuna ukudlala irugby and ukuthi abe self-aware? I know it's not easy. Ukukhuluma ngabantu.
Understand which position am I?
You know what I'm saying? Nanokuthi a lot of people that aba struggle shy asebefikile sebedlala irugby ukusaba ukutacklishwa nokusaba to tackle because it's not a violent sport but it's a very physical contact sport. What advice would you give to those?
When it comes to positioning, I think that's difficult because mina ngiyakhumbula kusawo uwende Khumalo coach back then sase high school ngangidlala fly half ngisadlala under 16 18 I played fly half then ngase ngifika kwi Sharks then ngase ngidlala ilokhuzana center. Abanye bayakwazi ukubona ukuthi obviously with umzimba uMgabadeli nje ngabona ukuthi ayi mina yazi ngaba right lapha kwe because of my body. Abanye they understand that mhlawumbe abathola ukuthi abanye abancane ngenzi babona ukuthi no mina I know I'm fast and I know what I can play wing, but especially when it comes to the inside centers and flanks, because obviously ama flanks ayabuyafana nama lokhuzana. I would say just train. There's no specific, especially for yourself. Because I never thought ngizodlala center because I started with the fly half, but I played fly center anyways.
The top one.
No. Ngangi center nje face ngadlala. No 10 futhi ngawudlala, I don't wanna lie. Even namanje kwama clubs bengudlala u10 because I nginalo your concept to understand ukuthi u10 wenzani nani.
What would be your wish for rugby kubantu besifazane? We always speak about rugby. Namanje sikhuluma ama All Blacks nama Springboks adlala rivalry yawo. What would be your wish for rugby yabesifazane?
One of them is actually becoming true, even though it's not 100%. Where they become professional. Njoba ngisho ukuthi leave rugby. There's no need ukuthi ngingwana kumuntu osifazane ngisebenze yethi ngidlala professional team and that's where I want to be. Then if uthi angisebenze, why am I working? You know, we want to leave it, we want to be in it, we want to feel. Yabo lento campa ko Stellenbosch ekseni, it's your day job. Vuka ngo 6 ekseni yodla breakfast in the first session, nyabuya in the second session, the video sessions. That's how sports it should be. If you're professional, that's how it should be. Phume ngo4 usuyahamba uyongena egumbini lakho uyo recover lalaphansi. The next day it's the same thing, but not that ukuthi kumele ngicela emsebenzini ukuthi okay ngicela ningidedeleke manje ngoba ngiyalapha yana ngiphinde futhi ngiyabuya ngiza ngala. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, that was part of the question abengizoyibuza manje, the term in terms of ukuthi uyasebenza.
Yeah.
You know, that balance between ukuthi you're playing for the national team and you having to work, you know, how are you juggling that? Do you have to go and get leave from the work to come and play? And you know, ihamba kanjani? Do you understand from
I sacrificed ama days. Yes, I sacrificed, and I didn't take leave at all, to be quite honest. I had to leave because I had to take into go from ama leave if I'm gone for a month, then I have to explain so that I'm giving a motivation ukuthi ngikwazi at least ukuthi ngihole. Nakhona mawuhola obviously if awukho, you're not getting over Sunday times, you're not getting shift allowance, you're not getting of that. So by the time you come back, imali uyiholi is not the same. But because ubungale wayithola le usuyihlanganisa nala, then awuyizwa kanjalo. Yabona. But it took a lot of my rest days in terms of ama annual leaves. So ngiyakhumbula nje the guys were saying, hey, when I was into orphaning, why orphaning? When are you going on leave? Not knowing ukuthi leave yami ngiyisebenzisa la. Abanye be complain ukuthi awuhlezi ungekho kanjani kodwa uyabuya futhi uyahola, yabo. So it's one thing I had to sacrifice for myself because of the love I had for Irapi. But ubalancisa I.
Last 2 questions.
Ale.
Did you used to live at Chesterville?
I live there now.
You live there now?
Yes.
Did you used to play rugby there at any point?
Jogging just mina ngithatha isikini ngihambe ngiyodlala lapha egroundini.
Ewane.
Yes, extension
So
1.
I think I used to play rugby now.
Yeah, umkhaya wangasho.
There was a guy to Mike.
White,
colored
guy.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So my next question is about that, because when we used to play rugby, you used to be so happy. And you used to be laughing and everything. I think you were playing for the Sharks at that time. You know what? I come up your passion. I've never seen anyone whilst playing rugby so happy as you were happy. You went to be happy ngalendlela. What mangabudlali rugby?
Yo, was me up J. Ginjalo. No, honestly, yes, I'm like that. Even at work, I like being around. I'm usually thinking as in feet, and I never get sad. But you'll never see me. Mhlawumbe ngidina uMgabadeli mase ngifike emsebenzini sengidinela wonke umuntu, because that's between me and uMgabadeli. So I'm that person who always like being around abantu, like joyful, happy. Yazi ekuhlekeni kwami uthi mhlawumbe ngisho lama joke. I also I love making jokes when mhlawumbe ubungekho right. So I would say something and then the guys would laugh, but so ukuthi leyo muntu lo is right. So I guess I was born like that. I'm just that cheerful, happy person, yeah, nan. But mase sekufika ke phela eground mhlawumbe ngoba sasitrainer la, but mase sekudlalwa ke then it becomes a different story ke lapho.
No, I didn't mean that you weren't as intense as the guys. You were as intense as the guys, so
yeah.
Sasikusaba. But
I
anyway,
thinking about futhi. I was thinking about ngangi excited ukuthi I'm able to play with you.
So
yes, Irapi.
Not in a bad way. She was a serious rugby player.
Yeah, I think one thing futhi engayithanda ukuthi like yabo mofika emalokishini you never get Irapi like you say, but why ubhuti why senzisa le rap. And I was so happy to see ukuthi how there's people who actually know rap. Mengi eground ngiyazi kufica abantu who are the same page nami where we do something esithanda. So I think that's why mhlawumbe ungibona ngi-excited ngale because ngalesa sikhathi ayishemi yangihlanyisa shame. I literally leave anything else.
Lastly, just the outcome about the series now. I'm a Springbok. So how do you think it's going to turn out?
I think it was an opening eye game. And if we would Bugile, I don't think, to be honest, I don't think they just took it lightly. Yeah, but we call it game. We bona ukuthi kuzodlala la serious, and you could see New Zealand really wanted it. The second half, the worst.
Too many mistakes.
Exactly, the worst. They were dropping balls, 2 penalties, silly errors that they were making because now they're trying to cover up his card. So I think in New Zealand, they overpowered them because they knew what they were facing and they studied them really well to see what's okay. This is where you're going to fight. This is where you're going to penetrate. This is what we're going to do. And they did it very well. But engithanda ngama-Springboks ukuthi once ashaw ayakwazi futhi ukubuya abe I think maybe say bephezulu kakhulu ukuthi yeah because they've been winning the whole time and all of that and everyone knows that they're champions and everything. So I think it takes even nano team misifike tournament oqala once washaya leyo game oqala got to switch it to Pagem, and then it brings you down, takes you back to basis, sit down, discuss what went wrong, what did we do right, what didn't we do right. So I think kule game elandelayo bazozama. Yeah, I think they'll be back la engqondweni zabo because shame bas disappointed. But now we're expecting so much from them because obviously it's sports, so you can't expect to win and every time they're gonna win. Yes, the performance yabo wasn't the best or the performance that we know them for, but hopefully on the next one, shame bazozama.
As long as they give us the treble.
What are the lessons esingawathatha kwi-era Erasmus, Coach Erasmus?
Guys, why does everyone blame Erasmus every time there's Springbok lose?
No, I'm talking about the era yakhe kwi-rugby
as a whole.
Because even nakwi-Bafana Bafana, nakwi-cricket, whenever they go into the World Cup, bahlezi berefer kwi-team kaRussell, the era kaRussell. Mhlambe as abantu besport, yini esingayifunda ngale era and yini esingakhela phezu kwayo ukuthi wonke ama-sporting codes abe the-same attitude ngani?
I think besides ukuthi uRussell une-influence enkulu kulabafana abancane, I think he understands them because he's been a player before. So once waba umdlali, uyakwazi uku-understanda ama-players, not specifically kwi-field, but also personally. Yabo, like, akekho umuntu understand uRussell njengoMapipi, that I know for sure. He knows the story and uyamazi usuka phi. So I think uRussell is that person that futhi engithanda ngayo ukuthi mawukuthi uyabheda kuyabheda akalokho ngalena, and is that person ukuthi mekusetshenzwa kuyasetshenzwa, mekudlalwa makudlalwa, mobheda uyabheda, mawukuthi you did good. So I think he's one of the persons that understands ama players not just as ama players but as abantu as well. So he understands them on the field and off the field, and with the passion anayo with the country as a whole. uRussell only has one thing ayifunayo, ufuna ukuwina the whole time, ufuna ukuwina. Yes, angaluza, but he wants to win, and not for him but for his country. So he's done a lot, especially even on the under-20, SA under-20, the boys and everything. He's there, he's helped out, and he's given himself to actually be there, and he's doing an amazing job. So if we could have all coaches like that who understand our players, not just as players, but also as abantu, then it becomes much easier for you to be able to select. Because as a coach, I was now born with low ranking, low rate ukudlala. Even Amaswapa Rasuras makes delusional decisions when it comes to Malukuza, but bomb squad. Everyone loves the bomb squad because you understand our players from what I believe. Yeah, as ama players, not just as players, but also understanding abantu personally. Because I think that's one of the things we miss. Our coaches are miss about our players. When we expect me to perform every time, but I was thinking. But a real coach would actually see that. And also has in mind ukuthi uzinhle uqhamukenandi. Mase ngimbona uzinhle ngazothi manje ufuna ukuba ibhoholo, okay. Ngiyawazi ukuthi ngimhandlisha kanjani.
Uqhamukenandi to promote Chesterville.
Ngihlala Chesterville ushilo njena.
Kulama camera lawa. Ngicabanga ukuthi obuya kangcono uzobuka kuyona. Just your message to umuntu wesifazana omncane, intombazana encane ebukayo manje, enothando lwezemidlalo, mhlambe ekhaya ithola support, nohlukumezekile kwezemidlalo wesifazane othi mina I want to give up because isport asingenzelanga lutho. When you sacrifice a lot, or sacrifice nomjolo to succeed with rugby. Just your message to umuntu wesifazane.
Firstly, happy Women's Month. I appreciate her. Bonke abantu besifazane. We month guys, so I'm very happy to be here with Umgabadeli on this day, Women's Month. Noma engangithithanga nje as a woman today, but it's okay, it's fine. So my message to ingane ezilapha eminyango, eyokuqala ukuthi ayikho into efika kalula empilweni, yonke into iyalelwa. And it require determination yako, it require discipline yako. So ngeke izize nje on a platter. You need to fight for amaphupho akho. You need to fight for what you want in order for you to get what you want, because nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you put your mind into it and you dedicate yourself to whatever that you want to achieve. And if kuguti you coming from ama backgrounds lawa angekho right, akubalekile ukuthi uqhamuka okubalekile ukuthi wenzani ngaleso simo esikhona lapho kini ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi usenze ukuthi sibe ngcono. So it doesn't matter ukuthi uqhamuka phi, it doesn't matter ukuthi situation yakini injani, but wena as a person, as that young girl eNandi eNtuzuma kwaMashu, you can always turn your scars into stars.
Yes. Nje uzoshaya kamnandi kanje, tell abantu they must subscribe on Azana Motion Studios on all digital platforms na YouTube.
Wes ngisasingaka tshela abantu ukuthi
Yeah, you know, you can do it in Zulu.
Ubani Azana?
Azana Motion Studios ku YouTube na ku social media, wonke social media.
Hi guys, this is Zinhle here. Please subscribe to
On social media.
On all social media.
All
Hi
social
guys, this is Zinhle Ndawonde. Please subscribe on all social media platforms, on YouTube. Yabona kuzasha man iligama lena lisho.
Isho kahle Azana Motion Studios.
Azana.
Azania.
Ubani Azani iphi esakho yakephi? Oh le.
Yes.
Hi guys, this is Zinhle Ndawonde. Please subscribe on Azania
Motion Studios.
Oh.
Now I'm teaching you slowly. Come down. Buenanda. Get him saga manje.
Hi guys, this is Zinhle Ndawonde. Please subscribe on Azania Motion. Musungitshela phela. Azania Motion Studios.
Yeah,
Hi guys, this is Zinhle Ndawonde. Please kindly subscribe on Azania Motion Studios on all social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Hashtag Azania Motion Studios.
That was the legacy experience of Zinhle Ndawonde from Chesterville. Osengabo ukuthi wasenanda ose Jola Nomlungu. Make sure that you follow and subscribe on Azana Motion Studios on all social media platforms. Sesikhuluma naye wabefona umlungu wakhe angazi bethini. Yabonga.
Yazi wahlupha wena uyakwazi uma serious.
Uzobe sekhutha